If you have an M365 Copilot paid license, here's a great new feature that is rolling out right now: the ability to do a prompt and then share it inside a team so you can discuss the prompt and the results. Let me show you how this works right now. I am Chris Menard. Let's dive in. I have this sample PowerPoint that I created right here: Advanced Excel Skills for Administrative Professionals. I'm just going to close it. I'm over in Copilot. I'm on the Work tab. You only see Work and Web if you have a paid license of Copilot. If you don't have a paid license, you will not see Work or Web, but you have Web. Work is grounded in your emails, Teams chats, files, meetings, and other work data. That's why it's called Work. So it's already given me down here what I want to do: list the key points from the Advanced Excel Skills. Click on it. It put it in there for me. I'm going to send this off. Copilot is done running. Here are the key points from it. I'm not going to sit here and go all the way through this, but you could if you wanted to. And of course, all the way at the bottom, let me just scroll there. There's my source, and here are the icons you usually see at the bottom of Copilot. So if you're saying, Chris, what is new? Watch this feature. If you look up at the top, you'll see that I'm using GPT 5.2. That doesn't matter. But sitting right next to it is Start a Group Chat in Teams. This is new. So I need to discuss this with some coworkers, the PowerPoint and the summary that it gave me. So when I select Start a Group Chat, I put in two of my coworkers and I'm going to click on Create. I'm being notified that the group chat is being created. You'll be notified when it's ready. I got a notification in the bottom right of my screen. Let me go pull up Microsoft Teams and show you what this looks like. I collapsed a lot of stuff over here on the far left, but here is chats. Here is Carol and Christian. Copilot came in with this message at the very beginning. There is the prompt that I use, list the key points. And down below is everything that Copilot gave me. And Carol, Christian, we can go in here and we can discuss this in a group chat. This is a great feature that's been added to Copilot. I like this a lot. Appreciate your time. If you have any questions, please let me know. And my online training is available. Have a wonderful day.